where the hell do you put the bleach? Hello, it's How To Not To. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, today I'll be doing the cotton wash. Let's get some beads in the drum first. And as some of you may know, I'm going to use this Lenore Fresh, which are beads. Yes, beads that freshen up your laundry. And now you can put your laundry in the drum. So I've got a lot of whites today. This is a 9 kilogram drum, if you don't already know. And hopefully everything should fit in there nice and comfortably. Someone did leave a comment that they wanted to know, where exactly does bleach go in the dispenser drawer? And I'm going to take you there. I'm going to show you. So this is where the bleach goes. This is used for liquids. So, and I think it goes in there, that bit of the dispenser drawer, like that. So there you go. That's where it goes, in the dispenser drawer compartment. And you can put your bleach in there. Does come in handy, doesn't it, bleach? If you got whites with stains on, tough stains, it's good to know where to put that bleach. Yeah, let's carry on. Yeah, I'm going to add this Ariel as well, detergent. That's a mega size there. That's also, yeah, beads. Sounds like beads. It is beads. So got plenty of that. It's going to last a long time. So they do come in different forms. You've got the big one there, and you've got this one. Bit of conditioner to go in as well, softener. Yeah, and I'm going to also add some powder detergent. It's all going in, it's all happening. That's a big box there. That's the... Got this here, which is Dr. Beckham Glow White. So this helps maintain the whiteness of your laundry. And what they are, they're sheets. They're not sheets. I've dropped it. But this is what they look like anyway. I'm going to put one bag in the laundry, so that's going in. Okay, and that just maintains its freshness. What am I going on about? That maintains its whiteness. So there you go. Yes, I'm going to put that amount in the dispenser drawer. Powder detergent.
Okay, I'm going to continue to fill the drum. Close the door, switch it on,